because I did such a fine job of gluing it on. Now, the question then becomes, can we put this together without someone noticing that? No! Okay, what if we go to the next tooth? Oh, shite. Wallerdog made a boo-boo! Is it going to be just as bad over here? Let's see. That track already coming off. This wheel isn't even on. Yeah, you definitely don't want to glue these on before you put it together. Note to self. So this one's not as obvious. It's still there. I think what I'd have to do to cover this up later would be to build a diorama where the back of it is in mud. So you can't see the bottoms of the tracks, but there's no way to fix this. These wheels are glued in solid. It's actually hurting my fingers to try to turn them. They're not going anywhere. And all the tracks got to go all the way around, so it's got to align with one tooth because the rest of the tracks are going to connect to this and go here. So we can do one is okay. This one's going to be okay. This one's not. It's going to have a space there. A thought? Maybe we have it so that this track is blown off. Oh my God. Yeah. I mean, you know, that's a possibility. So, I don't know how else to, I really don't know how else to fix that. I can't turn it, I can't force it. It's just a little, now this one we can put in, alright? This one's not a problem. Okay, this is really, wish I'd have known that sooner. So I'm just going to douse this in glue. And we're not going to touch it. We're going to let it dry and come back to it. Oh man. Hope you learned from my mistakes. Alright, we're back. Okay, so we got that part of that track on. See, this track is already coming off the wheel. So now we've got to put, in my opinion, so one piece here and tack that to the wheel as well at the same time. And then we'll do 4, but the 4 go to the next wheel, which means this wheel is going to have to be on when we tack the 4 on, but not necessarily for the 1. So let's see if we can tack one on here, one on here. Yeah, I'm using a lot of glue. Don't know what else to do. Just like that. And we'll hold it, try and let it set. Now it could be because we painted it, that might be making it more difficult for it to stick to, that I don't know. Could very well be. Wow. Sure doesn't want to stick. Same problem here. Yeah, we're going to do the same thing here. Try not to jar the other side. Well, come on, Wes. It's got to go in there. Why is it not going? I can see having the soft, leathery tracks would make this process so much easier. Or I saw somebody who had a type of thick glue that they used, which allowed it to be a little bit rubbier. You just don't let it dry all the way. And then they tried forming the tracks around the wheels. I'm going to stop touching that. These tracks are kicking my butt. But I want them to be cemented well enough that they don't move when I come back to add the 2 4 sections to those wheels. Wow. So it looks like this side's going to be the easiest one to do. I am not going to glue the wheel into the axle. You see how wobbly that is? I think I would rather glue this track to here and to the wheel and let it have play as we work our way around. So we've got to go in there and there and try and keep it straight like that. In here and here and the wheel needs there. That's exactly where I want the wheel. Looks like I just have to leave it alone. Uh-oh, it looks like it's moved a little bit though. So I want this to be straight as possible. Alright, we're leaving it right there. Looks like the wheel's straight. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. We had left off by trying to attach here to here. It looks like it's not really attached to here. Why does it have to be so difficult? I think we should try and do the other side then, so we can be even Steven. The other side being this side with one of these. Then we want to put this wheel here. And we want to glue it like that. This is not going to be a working model, so to speak. Yeah, there's no harm in putting a link here, so we'll do that. Progress must be made on this model. We have made progress. So our options are we stretch it one and have it not connect at all. Or it seems like the correct way is here, and maybe we have the, oh, that's good. Or yeah. So this one's too far. This one's too close. Oh, and shit. Too close. All right, we're gonna jerry rig it. I can't think of anything else to do. Scalpel. So one thing that's blocking it is the tooth. So we're going to take one tooth off. Perfect. we can actually glue it on top of this. Something's working the way it's supposed to. Oh, shit. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Why? Because we can. I even hate to glue it. I'm going to glue it so that it's up this way so I have more space for these other tracks to come into play. Nobody will notice. We probably won't do any more tonight. We got have a drink with Les and chat coming up in a little bit.